welcome back to my YouTube channel. If I haven't seen you for a long time, my name is Jibraan Islam. To learn Señorita, it's very easy. Okay, we're going to start with a capo on the 5th fret and follow me on these chords here. Okay, E minor 7. All right, G, and keep the bottom 4 strings open the whole time. C major 7. All right, and B7. Okay, so now let's put those all together. So what we have is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 2 measures, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and gets a bit fancier. You can add fingers strumming in. 1. E minor 7, G, C major 7. Now this variations of B7 at the end. E minor 7, hang with me, G, and C. B minor 7, B7. Okay, so the song 2, 1, 2. Always keep your tempo. 1. I love it when you call you Señorita. I wish I could pretend I didn't need you, but every touch is a la la la. It's true, la la la. Ooh, I should be running. Ooh, you keep me coming for you. Alright, so there you have it. Señorita, short, quick, easy. See you next one.